Alright, so we're currently coming off Caledonia Crescent right here in Crossroads, Kingston, and we are entering MARESCAUX Road. Is that how it's pronounced, by the way, guys? Let me know in the comment section. So it's MARESCAUX. So I want to know if that's MARESCAUX or how you'd pronounce it. Alright, so started out in Crossroad and we're heading to the direction of downtown Kingston. If you're new to the channel, I am Rush, the Discover Boss. So this channel brings you to places that you have not seen before. New roads, new construction, new hotels, hotel review, driving videos, community drive. So we just passed Michael University right there on the right, and we have the Water Commission head office on the left, and Wolmer's Boys and Girls School on the left and on the right. If any of you guys attended any of these schools, whether Michael or Wolmer's, let me know in the comment section. Alright, so I was explaining a little bit more about the channel for anybody new. So you'll have community drives as well, city drives. You know, every day it's something new to see on the channel. Just highlighting the beauty of Jamaica, the progress of Jamaica in terms of development, and whatever is new, whatever real estate, whatever current construction. That's what we, review on the channel. So if you're new, click that subscribe button, turn it from red to gray. Remember to turn on your post notification bell, so once I do a new upload, you'll be notified. Remember to like the video, leave a comment. So you can like the video from right now, you can leave a comment from right now and leave another, because that helps the channel to grow, and that helps YouTube to push the channel to persons that have never seen it before. So it's a city drive today, heading from Crossroad to downtown via MARESCAUX Road. So that's what we're doing today. So stay tuned, guys, and definitely enjoy the drive. So we're passing some of the ministry buildings, Ministry of Education on the left, and the Heroes Circle is on the right. So it's a very big circle. One of these days I need to put the drone up in the air, and from an eagle eye view we can see the Heroes Circle, the Heroes Park, and just some of those landmark construction. So we have the TAJ, Tax Administration of Jamaica building on the left. That's a round building. Just passing it right now. Very unique design. And we are going down East Street, heading into the heart of downtown Kingston. Just past the Gleaner headquarters. So Jamaica Gleaner, one of our premier and main newspaper. Alright, guys, so stay tuned, leave a comment. Not sure if anybody grew up down this side of Kingston, this inner city side of Kingston. You can let me know by the intersection of East Street and North Street. And we're continuing down East Street. So let me know if you're from this side of town. Leave in the comment section. Alright, guys, continue enjoying the drive. down this side we have some courthouses. On the left, Parish Court of Kingston and St. Andrew. Alright, and then we're gonna take the right at this intersection for East Queen Street. And then we're heading towards the St. William Grand Park. Very bright sunny day in Kingston today. Alright, so in front of us is the St. William Grand Park. I think it's closed for the most part. Then going straight down is Church Street, but where we're going today is King Street. So that's one of the main shopping districts in Kingston, our main shopping street. It has more, you know, stores, restaurants. So you may have less wholesales, but more convenience stores. Alright, so this is King Street, downtown Kingston. You know, stores like Mart, PLS, KFC, Bill Express, Woolworth, Courts, Amars, Joseph. So a lot of stores for shopping, a lot of furniture stores as well, variety stores. So this is King Street and it goes all the way down to Waterfront. And then from King Street we'll take a turn onto Barry Street. Alright, so now this street is more of, you know, ground provision, which a mixture of wholesales, clothes store, you know, that bulk shopping type of setting. Not sure how many of you guys watching come down these sides very frequently, but again, let me know in the comment section. Barry Street, and again it would be hard to drive out the entire Kingston. It's not possible, so I'm just showing you guys a glimpse of down this side. So remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and if you have not yet subscribing is free, so join the family. Alright guys, so it's another city drive, and I'll definitely see you on another video.